YouTube. Kiko here. So today I'm going to be doing a little installation on some exhaust parts. So I picked up, come on camera, I picked up a, essentially it's a muffler delete from a buddy in town, along with a mid pipe, and then I got a down pipe from another buddy out in Connecticut, I think. And so right now I'm just going to do the pretty much the cat back. It's just the muffler delete until I can get onto a lift and actually get the stock down pipe off. Trying to figure out what I need to do. So that longer pipe, it looks like the width of from the cat back. This looks like the width of the stock mid pipe and down pipe. However, on the stock pipe, it looks like it bends a little here first before it goes up. So I'll actually have to check and see if this is the right pipe for my car. And then that was actually pulled off a JDM model. So that I know that'll fit from the turbo manifold down. And we'll just have to see if this will fit here. If not, I can cut this, and then I have the flanges up there to get this cut and welded on, so it'll fit on the that down pipe there. So it's really just a matter of seeing like how I have to fit this before I take it, cut it, and then get that shit welded on. The Supra comes stock with 3 mufflers. So if you can actually see down here, if it'll focus, there's a muffler here, and then it actually comes down together and goes down. Then there's the cat a little bit further down here-ish. So like I said, it comes down here, curves to the right, and then goes up to the turbo manifold. So I gotta figure out how to get that shit fit. Then it comes here, wise off into 2 mufflers, and then comes back around, and then mounts up into the same pipe for the muffler, and then out the rear to 1. So the pipe I got essentially just looks like he already had the pipe welded in. Essentially just deleted that muffler, and then there's no Y pipe on the end of that, and that should just go straight down to where the second cat is. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get a before and after, obviously, of the just the muffler delete on the cat back, and then later on down the road we'll get the shot of the rest. Alright, so I got the old cat back off. Really easy and self-explanatory if you're going to do it yourself. So essentially what it was these bolts here and on the bottom here are tack welded onto this onto the muffler side. So you have to take the nuts off, which should be standard. Take the nuts off first, and they just go through. It was a 10 mil nut, 2 on this, 2 on this. That way you can break this side off. It was a lot easier to get off. It's just a simple hanger. This one was actually just like a little rubber donut, and it was easy to take off. So once you got those 4 nuts off on this side, oh, donut, thank you. It's really just donut stretched on. So once you get that off, the front is a little bit easier to get off. Here, take that. Thank you. So essentially it was just two nuts and bolts on the front end of this. The crush seal that was on this was actually in really good condition, so I just reused it. Save a good gasket for later on. So just 2 nuts, 2 bolts, a couple washers, and the hangers there and there, and just came right out. All right, so this is the new exhaust installed. So it was, like I said, fairly simple. The hanger attached right here, not a problem. I just put it in there first, and then hung this side right up in there. Focus? I don't think it'll focus. Yeah, I just hung that side, and then I was able to solicit help from the wife. She was able to slide the nuts and the bolts in down there at the right there. One on this bottom side, and then one on the top corner. And that's it. It was really easy. It took about 45 minutes total, and it's swapped out. So let's go ahead and start her up, see what it sounds like.
What does that say, Dad?
It says stock 2J.
I was gonna say this is what it sounds like when you turn it on.
Well, the camera's already on. So.
Dad? Oh, shoot.
Daddy. You ready? Kai, go stand by the exhaust. Tell me what it sounds
I'm
like.
gonna put,
Yeah, we're just gonna finish it up right now.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna finish it up?
We're all going to finish this.
You can come in if you want to.
Look, we're going to be late for dinner.
Like I said earlier, so the aft portion of the muffler was actually easy to take off. It was just the two pipes that went into that rear muffler had two bolts that were tack welded on each flange. The nuts were the parts that actually came off. So it was just those 4 nuts, and then that aft section was easy to pop off. Then that midsection wasn't that hard. It was just the 2 hangers on either side, and then the 2 nuts and bolts on the cat pipe, and then it just came right out. The new one going in wasn't much difficult, much more difficult to get in than the old one was to get out. It was really just a matter of hooking up those two nuts and bolts on the front. Repurposed the Flex Seal because it was in really good condition, so I'll just save the new one for another time. And that was it. Like I said, all in all, it took probably about 45 minutes to an hour. So.
And we helped.
Yeah, and they helped.
And I helped, and we're going to do some more videos.
Yeah. Right. You want to say bye? Say take care. Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay safe.